Okay, this is the circuit, and we are going to do the operation and workability of the circuit. We have the buzzer and the 3 LED system. The LEDs are protected by protective resistors and connected to the digital pins of the Arduino Uno. When it is on, the buzzer gives an output, a high output, and the LED also gives a high output. Now, as it is turning, the buzzer turns, and I assure you this process is being done only on itself with the help of the phones.
Alright, and I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight.